Today we're going to be continuing the sourdough oat pancakes starter here that I've been using for quite a while. All I did to start this was take some oats, ground them up in the blender with apple pieces, and then I let it sit out on the counter and ferment for about 3 to 4 days. Skins and all with the apples. You can just do like a whole apple in about 2 cups of ground oats with equal to maybe just a little bit more water, keep it nice and fluid. So the first thing we're gonna do is just grab our blender cup, some honey, and we're just gonna pour in about a 1/4 cup of honey into the blender here. So we're gonna do 22 grams of salt, about 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And then we're gonna fill the rest of this blender up with oats. So we're gonna go to just about the 7 cup mark here. And then we're gonna fill it up with just enough water to come about a 1/2 inch above the oats. They do like to soak up a good amount of liquid. So and there we have it, just at the max liquid line. And we're just gonna put the lid on, throw it on the blender, and blend it up. And here we have a nice, what appears to be a very runny batter, but I guarantee you that this will thicken up overnight as the oat starches absorb all that liquid, and you'll be left with a nice scoopable batter that you can make into some very delicious pancakes. So we'll just add this to the starter portion of it. And we'll just give it a stir, mixing that starter into the newer batch here. Lid on with a slight crack for some degassing, and that's just gonna live on your counter until tomorrow morning when you get to have delicious sourdough pancakes. This gets better the longer it sits in the fridge, about 3 to 4 days, but they're still delicious, just a little bit gummy at that point. Try it out, tell me what you think.